Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take It, your boy Lucky, and today we're going to check out the new iPhone 11 Pro Max in its new midnight green color. That's the new color for this year. It comes in midnight green, space gray, white, and you've got the standard gold color as well. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So yeah, let's open the box. So this is the box it comes in now. They've actually changed the scheme now. It used to come in white with the phones, but now the Pro version comes in black boxes where the standard 11 comes in the white boxes with the matching colors. We've got the logo there, up there. Let's just open this up and just have a look at that green color. And look at that. That is really beautiful, guys. It's a stunning color, as you can see. It's really nice. And there's not even any plastic thing. There used to be a plastic cover, but it's not there. We've got the camera on there, which is probably the main feature of this year's iPhones. Triple camera. But yeah, let's see what else is in the box. So inside we've got designed by Apple in California. We've got some documentaries, so leaflets, some stickers, and no color stickers, just the standard stickers, but that's nice anyway. Put that to the side. And so here is one of the new features as well. We get a 18-watt charging, so we get really fast charging, which is really nice. You should be getting full charge in under 2 hours, and you should be able to get up to 60% in like 40 minutes charge, which is really nice. We've got a standard lightning earbuds here and the new lightning to Type-C charging cable, because this is a Type-C charger. But yeah, no Type-C to C, but hopefully we should get that next year. So let's put everything to the side. And let's just have a look at that phone. As you can see, we've got the camera hump here. We've got gloss here. We've got this matte finish here. I'm not sure how well this is picking up in camera, guys, but it is this midnight green here is really hard. We've got this chamfered edges here as well. I mean, glossy edges here, stainless steel, which looks nice as well. But the back, see, it's really nice. So it's not as slippery. It's this matte finish here, which looks, I have to say, it looks nice. The screen is really nice. I've got the gold one as well, which I'm going to do soon as well. But yeah, this one is nice. And the front is really the same here. So this is the Max with the 6.5 inch. You've got the new camera hump here, wide, tele, and ultra wide, which is really nice. I'm going to have a full review on this very soon, guys, so make sure you stick around for that. But yeah, the phone looks nice. Just have a look at this, guys. It is beautiful. So guys, you saw the phone. It's gorgeous. That midnight green, space gray color matches. It's really almost like it's different color, guys. The green is really nice. It's nice, deep. But in some shade it looks like a space gray, but it's a beautiful color. It's new. I know most of you guys are going to pick this color because it's the new color, so it stands out from previous models. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section what videos you want me to see, what you want me to do, some reviews, some camera tests, whatever you want to do, some comparison. Let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to get those videos out to you guys. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.